Well, hello guys. I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters vcode of Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Java topic today, which is arrays, array list. So yeah, let's start with it because we already know about arrays, what are arrays, and how they are useful. Yeah, so I'll just tell you really short, like what is an array. So array it is a data type in programming language which is used to store multiple data entry in a single variable. You can store multiple data entry in a single variable using this array list in other words. So yeah, let's start with it. So we're doing, let's say I'm creating one array list, and let's name our array list as obj1. And in this array list, yeah, and let's create one more array list, and let's name it obj2. So these are our two array lists. So let's add some data to it. So we can add data to our array list using .add method. It is inbuilt method in JVM. You can use it. Okay. So for doing that, what you have to do? First of all, you have to write the name of your array. So in our case, it's obj1, and we have to do is obj1.add, and in this let's add some data. So for example a. So yeah, if we print out yeah, so let's try to print out our array list, which is obj1. And yeah, I have to add this semicolon after it. So let's read. As you can see, it is printing out a. Okay, so this is how you add data in your array list. So let me comment it out, and what I'll do now, I'll add more data to it. So let's say obj1.add, and let's add b to it. And yeah, now add some data to obj2 also. Let's say we are adding a, and yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you is, let me show you. We can also specify the index of our data while adding it. So for example, in this obj2, I want to add b at index 0. So what I have to do is 0 and comma, and let's say b. And if I print out this obj2, you can see it is b is present at index 0, not index 1. No matter what index how many elements you add before adding this element, it will have the index 0. Okay, and what if we do something like this? So what will be the output? Let's see. Okay, so it will add the later element at index 0. If two elements have same index, then the later element will get that index, and element a, which was a, it will shift one value forward. So it had index 0 initially, but I added B at index 0, so index of A will shift towards right, which is 1. Okay, and what if I do something like this? What if, and instead of printing out obj2, yeah, so you guys try to figure out what should be output in this following case. It is pretty straightforward and pretty simple. Yeah, so you have 5 seconds to pause the video and post your answer in the comment section. And if we try to run this code, so it is printing out true. Why is it printing out true? So for doing that, let's print out obj1 and obj2 both. So you'll know why is it printing out true. So you can see value of obj1 it is a comma b, and value of obj2 it is also a comma b. So this dot equals method it will return true only if obj1 is equal to obj2. If the value of obj1 would have been different, then the answer it would be false. So let's see, let's do it 0 instead of 1, and now let's try. You'll see it is printing out false instead of true. So I hope it was clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can ask us in the comment section. You can also take a look at our previous videos. And yeah, if you didn't get anything or you have any problem, you can just reach us out. You can ask us in the comment section or in our WhatsApp groups. You all are probably in our WhatsApp groups. So yeah, you can ask us in the WhatsApp groups also. You can also ask us in the comment section. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.